Welcome to Urban Knife Guy, where we explore the urban knife style and jungle survival. We've got a special video today because we are going to look at EDC Fidget gear. So what exactly is Fidget gear? Is basically a bunch of items you can use to play around with your fingers so that you can irritate the people around you. They can also be used to eliminate bad habits like biting your nails or cracking your knuckles by replacing it with an equally bad habit. And finally, this EDC Fidget gear can help you improve your dexterity and improve your hand-eye coordination. All good things. But first, if you watch this channel regularly but have not subscribed, please do so by hitting the subscribe button and turn on that notification bell. It will really help the channel out. Thanks. So I've got a collection of items over here and I've gone with the copper theme today. So a variety of items, and I'll show you how you can use each of these as EDC Fidget gear. And let's start off with this torchlight. So this is a Lumi-Top torchlight. There's a small torchlight but still pretty bright. And of course, just like any flashlight, you can just click and unclick it as a simple way to fidget. You could also of course do this with a pen. And like a pen, you can use a cylindrical flashlight like that and spin it around your thumb. Just like that. Some people can spin it back and forth. I can't do that. Next up, for all you knife lovers, I think one of the reasons you get folding knives is the action of the knives. And that's a great way to fidget as well, just to pop out the blade. And of course, you do not want to do this out in public. A coin is easily accessible by most, and you can do several things with the coin. You could just give it a flip, just like that. But you can also take it out for a walk and do what is known as a coin roll. Now let's go on to this, a Zippo lighter. Now I don't smoke, but it's a great EDC Fidget item. Now most people would strike the Zippo by opening it like that and then using the thumb to strike it. That's a typical way. There are other interesting ways to open a Zippo and light it like that. There's different ways to creatively open and rock your Zippo lighter. This is an interesting item over here because this is actually designed as a fidget tool. They're actually toys designed to help you fidget and irritate the people around you. This one is pretty interesting. It's a slide which is screwed over here, so it forms kind of a pivot. And the idea is just to slide it open and close it up. So you get that nice sensation and sound of those clicks. It's pretty satisfying. But it can be quite boring just to do it like that. So you could find a way to manipulate it so that you can spin it around in your fingers, turn it around, and use that. And finally, when you do open it, you can spin it around one more time and close it up. So just different ways to creatively use such a toy. Let's do that again. Let's make it a nicer fit. Like that, and spin it just like that. So that's a fidget toy that works pretty well as well. And finally, you can also use a deck of cards. So a deck of cards is pretty interesting because it's going to be much more difficult because you are working with 52 individual playing cards. But you could fidget by holding in your hand and doing what is known as a one-hand chalet cut. And that's just cutting the deck with one hand. You could also do what is known as a stretch cut. And if you're really ambitious, you could split the cards like that and give it a shuffle. With two hands, you could fan the cards. You could do a double fan. And you could also spread the cards on a soft surface just like that. You can even control the cards if you want with a single card, which looks very pretty. And finally, you can get a good look at the cards over there, and we can pick them up just like that. And there you have it, a collection of fidget-friendly EDC gear. Which of these are your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And if you'd like to learn any of these tricks, I probably can do individual tutorial videos on them. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like the content in general, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.